Once again, Lord God, it's me. It's Lil Jeff, the same kid that used to cry on his knees when his mama would leave. His pops was already gone, so you promised to be a father to me. But I feel like you've forgotten to be, cause I'm hurting and I know that more is promised to me. But honestly, I can't picture me living profitably. Obviously, your plans ain't for my eyes to see, but thinking logically keeps me from thinking positively. You understand? As I take my life into perspective, analyzing my years, my hard times, my fears, the tears I cried to my cheers, I realize I take for granted the length of time that I'm here. My days are numbered, despite wives, lies, and rising careers. I seen it on the news and thought this wouldn't happen to me. Then I never questioned that until it happened to T. Holding back the tears as I passed by his casket to see an only child who got blasted at accident.
Slow motion for me, stick like I posted on me. Do the spin like a skew, slow roast it for me. This ain't a talk show, but you the view. Baby girl, stay fly like a beauty do. While your boy get back to his duties, boo. Another day, another dollar, I'ma holla at you. But before I bounce, one last request. Move like a snake for me, baby, no contest. Yo, I love the way you move, I love the way you talk, I love your attitude, I won't forget the way you walk. I'm feeling you, hey, you knew this, girl. You know you feeling me, now let's do this, girl. I love the way you move, I love the way you talk, I love your attitude, I won't forget the way you walk. I'm feeling you, hey, you knew this, girl. You know you feeling me, now let's do this, girl.
I will be there for you whenever you call me. You don't have to worry, I'm all yours. You got all my love, I will be there for you whenever you call me. Baby, I know what you need. Leave it to me, boy, you'll be happy.
I'm in a throne-faced home with my throne face on. I'm trying to find a girl I can go on and take home. I pulled up to this chick, but she recognized my face like, ain't you on MySpace? Yup, I'm Jeff Jones. And all I need is a fifth of some liquor to spit sick off the lips like a chick with a list and a syphilis blister. I hope you feeling a spitter. This an old school beat, I'm taking you back like an Indian giver.
Being the play in the game, I can tell you how it feel. Little ones that's playing games, I'm the ones that keep it real. Chicken heads trying to claim, now I got a deal. So I can't be slipping like I'm stepping on banana peels. But I keep a main squeeze for times I wanna be at ease. The industry got me fatigued, this hustle ain't a breeze. Pull out the trio, send the text around 3-0 to my shorty mixed with half Indian and Creole.
I had an attitude way before I was talking. Teacher said I was awful, I always stayed in the office. And often I get found around the yard throwing signs up and walking. But I'm a product of garbage, cause my mom was in rehab. Plus she's forced to be dad, uncles and cousins was bloods, that's all that he had. Any kid who sees that, how could they not be bad? I got him saying, thank God
I
he
will
rap.
be there for you whenever you call me. You don't have to worry,